Raimund, thanks for joining us here live at Transport Logistics in Munich. Big focus here obviously on supply chain, logistics, some of the key trends driving the markets. What's your take from an occupier perspective when you're looking at these markets and what's driving them?
Actually, in the markets you see kind of a shakedown in the moment. There's a lot happening, destabilization of global supply chain is going more regional, that's one trend. You have the trend that in e-commerce you go from the big players Amazon to a social commerce, to TikTok and Temu. And of course you have restructuring of supply chains. You have actually in the moment, the demand is not so high, but I think it's a window of opportunity in the moment. So if I would be a decision maker in the supply chain, I would actually go for buildings because they will be very attractive in the moment. And I assume in the next 18 months, we will see a really intensifying of the market. There will be competition with defense industry, with data center, so there will be a lot of competition on that. Mm-hmm.
And in terms of, when we're looking at Europe, especially in terms of locations, I suppose, where do you see, let's say if we're looking towards the future, the most sort of active areas where you think there's going to be demand or opportunity?
I think the heart of Europe, so Germany, Netherlands and France will remain very strong performers. At the same time, I think Poland will play a bigger role, CE in general, Romania could come up. Hungary depends a little bit how they position them in the future, how reliable they will be. Baltics could play a role, and I see even in Portugal there could be a nearshoring or friendshoring possibility. And deep water ports are very important in the future, so if you're close to them, it will definitely help.
Very interesting to catch up, particularly around where you're seeing some of those opportunities. Thanks very much for joining us.
Thanks, it was a pleasure as always.